Hi everyone, it's Genene, and today I challenge you to believe that you really are worth it, to take a few extra minutes throughout your day for these standing and seated yoga poses that you can incorporate throughout your busy day, even when you're at your desk, to help reduce pain and prevent injury. Today you'll need a chair and a desk is optional. To begin, I invite you, take a seat if you're at your desk or wherever you're at. If appropriate, gently close your eyes. And then I invite you to tell yourself, I am worth it. And let that really resonate with you. Keeping that in mind, let's dive into this practice. Begin facing your desk, hands on thighs, and then inhale for nothing, neutral spine, and then hinging from the hips, bow forward, bending the elbows out to the sides, looking towards something that you want to grab, but right now we're not grabbing it yet. And then inhale back to center, lift the chest, extend the spine, gentle back bend, and then exhale back to center, bow forwards. Keep the spine in neutral here and inhale, come back to center and then extend the spine. Look up at the sky and exhale back to center. We're going to keep with that movement, just change the arms around. Arms by your hips or by your side. You can grab the chair seat if you need to. Inhale and then exhale, bowing forwards, looking around your desk. Inhale up. Extend the spine. Use the exhale. Come back to center and exhale, bow. Inhale up. Look up. Extend the spine even more. Inhale back to center this time. The arms are going to come out in front of you so you can grab something on your desk. If you want, you can literally grab something. Inhale. Exhale, bow, hinging at the hips. So you're paying attention to how you reach for things. Pull the belly in, and then you grab something on the desk, and now you're bringing it back to you. And inhale, extend the spine, look up. And exhale back. Now you're going to put that thing back or those things back on the desk. So you reach forward, bow, and inhale back to center. Lift the spine, back bend. Inhale back to center, lower the arms down. Now the legs don't feel like they've gotten enough love. So cross right ankle over left. You want it harder, try doing this by using your belly, pull your belly in, right ankle over the left thigh. Like so, and same thing. Now this time though, you get to choose. I'll let you choose. Arms by your hips or arms out in front of you. Inhale and exhale, bow. If your arms are out in front of you, grab something else maybe. Inhale back to center. Inhale, extend the spine up. And then exhale back to center. One more. Inhale, exhale, bow. Inhale back to center. And extend the spine. Keep inhaling as you back bend. And then exhale back to center and lower the arms down. Other side. Left ankle over right thigh. Arms can be wherever you want them to be. Inhale, exhale, bow. This side might feel a little different. Maybe you're bowing deeper, maybe less deep. Inhale. Keep inhaling as you back bend. And exhale, center. And because you've done this so many times, now bow on the same exhale. And then the inhale brings you back to center. Keep inhaling, back bend, back bend, back bend. And exhale, lower the arms down by your side, uncross the leg. Let's do some things standing up. So you don't need your chair. You can do this whole thing in your chair if you need to, though. It'll be slightly different. First, standing in Tadasana. Nice, long, neutral spine, strong, firm legs, feet rooting into earth, and then everything else is going to be so much easier. Let's start off really simply with arms by your side just to get this idea of it. Inhale, and then exhale, bow. And when you bow up to the point where you can keep your spine in neutral. Once the back starts to round, you went too far. We're not doing that today. Inhale, come up and back bend. And then again, just like that, bowing forwards, turn the hips, just come to neutral, and then inhale, extend the spine, even more of a back bend. Maybe you can see the back wall, maybe not. Inhale, back center, exhale for nothing. Inhale, arms out in front of you. As you bow, you keep your hands, your arms right in the same plane. Hold the belly in to support your spine. And maybe your fingers touch the ground, maybe not, because we're keeping our spine in one straight line. And then inhale up. And keep inhaling as you back bend. And then let's do one more. Exhale. And inhale. And back bend. And exhale, bring your arms down. This time, arms overhead. Inhale. And then bend your arms at the elbows. And now we're getting more into shoulders. So notice what happens with your shoulders is whichever arm is tighter, that is the arm that you're going to honor. You're not going to try to jam it back before it's ready. Hug the armpits back and reach the arms wherever you can. And then, same thing, inhale and exhale, bow. Just about 90 degrees-ish. Inhale, come back up and back bend. This is harder with arms overhead, so you can always bring your arms by your side if you need to. And then exhale, back, bow, halfway. And again, up. And exhale and bow. Inhale up. Now I know you're waiting for this part. So look at your hands, draw your arms down just so you can look, okay, which arm is on top? Like so. Okay, I'm going to do this. Just flip them. Now we're going to add the legs. If the arms prove too challenging, you don't feel safe, you could grab the chair instead, okay, for support, because we're going into that figure 4 again. We're crossing right ankle over left thigh. See if you can do it without your hands. If you cannot, then just grab the ankle and place it. We're keeping the left leg straight today. And then if you can, with the arms in the other direction than you're used to, inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, bow, 90 degrees-ish. You might find that 90 is not doable, so don't do it. Inhale, come up. And lift up, back bend a little bit. And then exhale, bow. Inhale, lift. Back bend to whatever degree is right for you. Again, you can hold on to your desk if you would like. And then exhale, release. Go to the other side. Left ankle crosses right thigh. Right leg straight, arms overhead. Inhale, exhale, bow. Keep that spine nice and straight. And then inhale up. A gentle back bend, if any. Exhale, bow. And inhale, either staying in neutral or choosing to try that back bend safely. Exhale, back to center, release. Let's grab our chair again, put it in front of your desk. And sitting down. So let's say there's something over to your left, way over to the left of your desk, and you want to reach with your right hand and grab it. So inhale, lengthen the spine, root down through the sitting bones. And then exhale, reach your right arm across towards the left. And then lean forwards with that nice long spine and grab and take it back to you. Again, you could have fun with it. Place some fun items on your desk. Exhale, twist to the right. Bow, grab. Inhale, center. Oh, let's do that again. It's just too fun. Inhale, exhale, grab something else. Maybe a little further away. Inhale, center. One more. Exhale, twist right, twist, 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 and then lean forward. And inhale, back to center. Gently allow your eyes to close. You feel comfortable with that. Open your eyes. Not done yet. Just wanted you to have that pause. Straighten your legs. You will notice, obviously, you need to scooch forward. Otherwise, your legs will not straighten. So scooch forward. Hands can be to the chair seat so you won't fall. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hinging from hips, start to bow. And you'll get to that same whatever degree it was that you were at before. Get a nice little hamstring stretch. If you felt comfortable for the first time, you could round your spine. Keep turning the pelvis forward as you do. The pelvis doesn't go the opposite way of the forward bend. You can place your hands on the floor, on your legs, on your desk. Inhale, walk yourself back up. Let's return to what we began with, this idea of worth. I invite you once again to close your eyes, to give yourself permission to take even 60 seconds for yourself to focus on breathing in and out through your nose, to ground yourself, to take a few simple movements, to relieve stiffness, to take a sip of water when you're thirsty. And drink in this understanding that there's nothing that you can do to earn worth. You're simply 100% worthy. And feel what that feels like. This is part of our standing desk yoga series. I hope this helped you throughout your day, and I hope you continue to work with this video and others. Let me know down in the comments how this worked for you, how you're using it, and let me know if you like this video by clicking the like button. That really helps me and my channel and lets me know I should be doing more videos like this. Look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.